Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and today we are going to create the soft purple pastel look that I have created with the Bloodlust palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Please take a moment and hit the subscribe button, and now let's hop right into the tutorial. I'm starting with the color Vivid Mood and I'm blending this color into my crease and also onto my outer corner. This is going to be a very simple look, so we are just buffing this color out. I'm using my Essence blending brush for it. I really love pastels. I have a very fair skin tone, so pastels show up very nicely on my skin. And I love the soft wash of color that they give me. So because I just did a few looks with the Mint to Be palette by Colourpop, I thought why not create a lilac look as well with this palette and maybe start a little pastel series on my channel. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see more pastel looks and if you would like to see more monochromatic looks like this one, or if you would like to see a rainbowy look as well. Now I want to blend out this color a bit, so I'm taking the color Deviant, which is a very light lilac and it is a bit more cool toned. And I really like this to blend out the warmer purples in this palette. I'm using the same brush as before and I'm just buffing over the edges. And then I'm just repeating these two steps until it is as blended as I want it to be. These two shadows are blending so nicely together. I really love combining them. They are one of my favorite combinations from this palette. Now for my lid shade, I'm taking the shade Take the Crown and I'm applying it all over my lid, and I stop at about 2/3 to the outer corner. This is one of my favorite metallics in this palette. Not all of them are performing as I want them to, so this is a really beautiful shadow. In one of my next videos with this palette, I will be showing you lots of comparisons and swatches and everything, because I have a single shadow by Lethal Cosmetics that is a very close dupe to this one, and I like the formula of the Lethal Cosmetics even better than this one, but this one is also a very nice shadow. But if you're looking for a lilac like this, watch out for one of my next videos where I show you my final review and comparisons and everything, and then you will see some dupes for this palette as well. Next, I'm taking the color Vivid Mood again and I'm blending it on to my lower lash line with my Sigma E30 pencil brush. Then I'm again taking a bit more of Deviant and I'm blending it out. Now for my inner corner, I'm going to apply the color Beauty Sleep with my Sigma E52 brush. And I really like this color for brightening up the inner corner with the more purple looks of this palette. Now I'm going to apply some mascara off camera and I'll be right back. Here you can see the finished look. It is a very soft and very light look and I really love it. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. As mentioned before, I'm going to give you my final review of this palette in one of my next videos. I'm a bit uncertain about it right now. Some shadows, like the ones I used today, are performing so good and I love them. and others have been a bit of a struggle and a bit disappointing. Please let me know down below if you would like to see more pastel looks on my channel. And now please hit the like button before you leave. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a beautiful day.